Strange animal sound you haven't heard before. The last one sounds so creepy. But first, like and subscribe to my channel or comment if you love this cute cat. Number 1. Red fox. At night, the red fox makes a scream that sounds just like a woman crying for help. Many people hear it and think someone is in danger, but it's just a fox. Number 2. Lyrebird. The lyrebird can copy almost any sound it hears. It can mimic chainsaws, crying babies, alarms, and even human voices. Hearing it deep in the forest can be terrifying. Number 3. Barn owl. The barn owl makes a long, creepy screech that sounds like a ghost. It's loud, sudden, and often heard in dark, quiet places. Number 4. Howler monkey. This monkey's roar is so loud it can be heard from miles away. It sounds like a monster or a dinosaur calling through the jungle. The last one. American alligator. Male alligators make deep growling sounds that make the water around them shake. It's so